People of YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm Aaron. I enjoy startups, software, and solar. This is episode 2 of my attempt to get a span installed. And man, are things getting a little tense. I'm attempting to get 3 span sub panels installed, as well as a new Tesla solar roof at the same time. This is going to be quite the feat, because if you've ever done business with Tesla, and if you've ever done business with Span, you would realize that getting someone on the phone or to even respond to emails is quite difficult. So as I started the video, I said that I was a CEO of a startup, and I've been the CEO of prior startups, and based on the communications issues that I've had, it can best be described of, I think Tesla thinks they're a software company that services business to business and not a company that sells products to consumers. With a business to business software transaction, you can sell a pretty large software product to a business, a pretty expensive one, as long as there's a budget in place and as long as there is a project to use the product. But when you're selling something to a consumer has questions and concerns that need to be addressed before the money is spent. Working with Tesla in this B2B model to a consumer means it's like trying to buy a house, but you're not allowed to talk to a realtor, you're not allowed to ask the seller questions, and you're not allowed to get a move-in date. I do, however, have 2 shout-outs for a Tesla employee and a Span employee that I'll do at the end of the video. One might ask why I'm talking so much about the Tesla solar roof on the Span episode. Well, I got notified today from Tesla via text message that my solar roof has been scheduled for installation. This means that I need to be able to communicate with the Span team to hopefully get the Span installed before the solar roof date. I am super concerned that if I have to engage Tesla and change the date, that it could push this for months into the future. When I purchased the Span, I was given a 6 to 8 week window on when it could be installed. And I did the purchase at the beginning of September. I believe September 1st. And as you can see on the Tesla page, it looks like I won't need the spans installed until the beginning of November. The scheduling email said that roof rip-off would occur through October, and the roof and power walls would not be installed until November. So if I can't get these spans installed before the first week of November, I may have to look for an alternative that I can get in sooner. This isn't for a lack of trying, though. Several weeks after my Span purchase, I was introduced to my installation person at Span that I quickly followed up with a nice to meet you email, and then chimed in several weeks later because I had not heard back from them, asking for an update where the Span installation team had gone dark. On the next Span video, hopefully I'm showing you the installation of the units and what that's like. And if not, I'll show you the alternative sub panels that I purchased, because I do need to get these panels in or else they will not install. I did say I would give shout outs to some folks at Tesla and Span. David, my sales rep at Span, has been excellent at communicating with me. Also, I do want to give additional props to a Tesla employee. Her name is John, spelled Jahn. Her last name starts with the letter D. She's not my project advisor, but she is a project advisor. And she's not my assigned project advisor, but she is way more engaged than any other project advisor that I've worked with at Tesla. So please, Tesla, give John some love. She's awesome. So stay tuned for the next in the series. Toodles.